honest, we still have a ways to go. We really do. We're not satisfied.
It's good, bro?
And we're not,
Making sure you good.
we're not satisfied and we're not content. You know what I mean? Like, we know we've come a long ways, but we have some more levels we can go to, but it's good to keep building good habits. Can somebody tell Jimmy Butler, Jimmy MVP Butler, to be quiet?
That's not my name.
I mean, a month ago it took you two to do some heroics in the fourth quarter to beat these guys by a point. Tonight you were up by 26 with 5 minutes left.
Yeah, we
And
had.
does that kind of show how far?
Yeah, the growth. When you have multiple guys in double figures, I think that's always good. We have that kind of balance. But defensively, we're going on defensive runs. I think we went on a 14-0 run, then we went on a 12-0 run in the second
In the
half.
second quarter, I think you held them 2 for 15 or something.
Yeah, and that's we got to put our hats on defense. Offense will come and go, but defense is what can take us there.
What do you think got the
Be
defense going?
quiet, man. They're just talking.
Oh my God! You said what?
What do you think got the defense locked in there in the second?
Just the habits. We can always rely on that. We've been a good defensive team, really good defensive team here recently. You know, and we just got to keep doing those good habits, and I think we got back to that.
So much talk on the bench after the first quarter goes like that defensively.
Oh, yeah, I mean, you know, there's some words for sure, but that's good that we can hold each other accountable.
My bad.